Wow, this is nice. This is a Jeep FC, or forward control, meaning the driver sits on top of the front axle. I've seen these before, but it's always nice to see them again, especially when this clean. This is at the Wheel Truck booth at SEMA. That thing is nice, man. Look at it. I wish they'd come out with a new modern version of this. It's a 1962 FC 170. You can kind of see inside there. Nice little roof rack up top to put some gear. A whole bunch of LEDs. Big huge bumper and a winch. Baja design fog lights. Of course, solid axles on these things because it's older. Oh, look at that. This thing has some kind of, I don't know what that is. It looks like a radiator of some type. It's got a big old shield on it to protect it. I don't know why the radiator has to be so low. I guess they couldn't get around it. Big humongous tires. These are Falcons, the Wild Peak RT. Manual hubs. You got to get out and twist those things with your hands if you want to go full lock. Look at that garage. That's a big garage. It's got a utility bed on the back, cubbies everywhere. That's nice, man. Got some side steps to get up there. Nice steel bumper in the back. There's the rear axle. Very nice. Look at that. 2 full-size spares in the back. Fuel and water, rooftop tent. Man, this thing is nice. Really nice. Love it.